It's on there pretty nice. Hopefully this is recording. Stupid camera. I don't know what's going on. At any rate, we are clocked about where we want to be. So we're ready to put this back in the car. So what I want to do is get this lined up top. One of the reasons I don't tighten that top strut nut is because it allows me to rotate the shock absorber, the strut, and getting it in place. Makes it a lot easier. Get this in there. Perfect. I'm going to put the nuts up top, just finger tight. Not even finger tight, just loosely, just so it doesn't drop on me. We'll get those lined up in a little bit. Let's see. So, we need to get all this stuff back together. This is kind of loosely where it needs to be. Jack under there. Get that lined up a little bit. Drop it down. Okay. It's getting closer to where we want to be. We might have to fool around with this to get the bolt to actually go in, rotate the knuckle or the upper arm a little bit. All right, that's where it needs to be. I'm just going to tighten that. Wow, that's a thing of beauty. Look at that. Almost finger tight is enough. I'm just going until that's just barely touching there. It doesn't need to be tight yet. It needs to be raised up to ride height first. So that's in. I've got this attached to the top. I'm going to jack up the control arm a bit. Go up top and take a look. So what's happening when I jack this up is that nut's raising up higher. Like I said, I don't need this in yet. Very carefully